मार पडटे त्यांना मार पडटा कोंकणीन मार पडटा केन्ना पडला कोंकणीन मारून मग कोंकणीन मार पडटा. Guys, I'll show you now. Yeah, Angel and Kisha, how they're praying with Mama. Hi friends. So आम्ही आज barbecue करताय. Nadia is at home today. Today Sunday. Usually she doesn't be, but what has happened? Company has an event, so that's why she's at home today. And we thought of like, okay, let's do a barbecue. So small barbecue with the family. What we are doing. आणि आमगे धाकटी भुरगीं दोगांय सगळं लापीट. आम्ही करताय within us only. So thought of like, okay, pork and chicken हाडला. अच्छा है आम्ही करताय. Let's enjoy this barbecue. So this is what I've got. This is pork, nice pork belly, आणि chicken. बड़ा चिकन केला आहे. Small party म्हणल्यार आता आमगेली आम्ही आहल्या पार्टी करता हिंगा. Very nice.
See, Mama had planted these plants. This is tomatoes, tomato. Change झालो है जे tomato. आणि ती चेरी टोमॅटोज नॉर्मल टोमॅटोज पण झालो आहे गाय झालो आहे आणि तो केल दे जेंगा टोमॅटो झालो आहे
आणि हे किती आता कांदे रोयले
किती रोयलो आहे
चिली
चिली तांबडी भाजी जे ब्लॅकबेरी झालो आहे आमगे थिंगा एक झाड आहा थिंगा ते ब्लॅकबेरी झालो आहे आणि ग्रेप्सा झाड दालिया रोयलाय तेन त्याचे एक झालो हा दालिया चौकालाचे ब्रो दिसता व्हाईटूय आहा हिंगा इतू पटेटोज आहे ते सगळे काढपा जाय आता पटेटोज झालाय माहिती
अरे किशाचं सी किशा हाऊ शी इज कमिंग अप कम बिहाइंड कम शो यू कम डाउन
किशा गो चोय ताका एदे हा बिरमोटेशी
यो
एकल्या वयता बिनापासून
यो मम्मी इधर गो I'm just catching a hold. I'm gonna catch.
चोय एकल्या येईल ते
Yo. Yeah.
What? Hi friends. झाल रे nice.
Wait, what you're doing?
I'm doing this
Savory crackers.
yeah Monaco bashinski.
Nice they look. Tell where you bought this one from. This cream
This
cheese.
I bought from Lidl. It is
What is it?
Cream spread, red pepper and chili. So
Very nice,
I
yeah,
like it. It's like a cheese spread though.
Yeah, this is spread kon haila balak tha. It's very nice, guys.
आता हुलाहू कॉम्पिटिशनचं या कोणाको जाते हुलाहू माय गॉड बेबी
अभी मजा आएगा ना.
तुको जायना रे ते माय गॉड इट्स ओके आवस एटलीस्ट एंजल ट्राइड तू करू पतन करू
Count seconds, okay?
Huh?
I'm gonna count. 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3.
चलो भाई देखो अब मैं क्या करता हूँ.
Now Mama is doing, huh?
So now Nadia, go. Now Nadia's turn. Okay, try. Go. See, baby. कितनी कैलची माँ का अस्ताल है. Okay, do. Nice.
यहाँ से मामा को तो से ठीक होता. Having fun, guys. We are just having fun. Today is fun day, Sunday. So we fun kote.
Mask करो पत्ती का. Chicken is been done now. Nice chicken. Juicy chicken. Juicy म्हणजे मग सनी काय उघडा था.
Looks yummy, no? Yeah, Sunny does very juicy chicken.
Yeah. Sunny, you know Sunny guys, yeah? My sister's husband. He does very nice marination of chicken. Very juicy mix. देखिए grilling में बढ़िया था.
It's Angel's burger now. Burger time.
Homemade सारा का chicken गाना हाँ पाओगी. Tell me if it's nice. Nice? कैसा दाल चाहिए पड़ बरो. Oh my god. Solid दाल पे.
Baba say toba.
किसा? Toba.
Toba करे बाबा.
Baba susah kan yo baba. Ah?
Toba.
Toba.
She's doing toba song. So ते पोतून त्याची होय म्हणून मातशें हें करून दवरलां. When we are not around, we don't allow her to go on that. चोपाकू पडला आतां कितें जालें काय म्हणून.
बाबा. Yo cut. Well cut. Ubar mungo.
Kisha.
जाए ना. Yeah, I kept it up this way because she goes when we are having food and like we are having food now. And ये पॉल्ड भी ज़्यादा मैं प्रॉब्लम होने बिस्ते मॉनिटर कर बावड़ा मस्ती सार के तो इतना तुम्हें किसी को बताते तौबा.
तौबा. बोरे हाँ तौबा. Kisha तौबा करो. Angel, you know तौबा that song? Dance? I mean those steps. Can you show? Wow.
आओ करो तौबा. इधर तौबा लगी.
आओ I can't say.
ऐसे तो नहीं होता है.
तो क्या वीडियो
Give down video.
तू आणि एक.
किधे
Running around his pocket full of food.
अरे down time.
Hello friends and welcome back again to K2N family. Hope you all are doing well. तुम उठली ये अकस्मात change कोण कितको calling है म्हणून. So what happened was the last time when we did the video, we did speak at that time.
Yeah.
But somehow what happened, I don't know, technical error
The sound only did not.
sound did not come only. And actually it was completely raw.
Can't even do voiceover on it
Yeah.
because
The lipping we don't know, but it was very nice that day. Like we actually what happened, like as I said, like a Sunday we could do the barbecue because it was Nadia. She got a holiday that day for herself because her company had some event.
yeah.
And that's how Sunday was free for us. So we thought like, okay, spending a family time that day. But it was very nice. You all have seen, like, you know, what a fun kalavi, like, you know, the toba dance, I enjoyed that. Day was very nice. I usually actually I cannot Sunday we met a holiday guy, we won't be having it like that, isn't it? So, Anis, you never know the weather. Anytime it can go dull, anytime it
I
can be
think we
sunny.
just have 2 more weeks for
Yeah.
summer. Like
This kind of talks will be sitting inside and doing it.
inside,
We won't be sitting outside. So ऐसे था
right now also it is cold. That's why we have a tea.
it's windy, so we are having a tea also. But it was very nice. Actually, we had a really good time, a good fun, blessed day. आणि किती म्हणपाक गेल्यार like ऐसे we spend time like this only, guys. Yeah, sometimes whenever we get opportunity to do things, we do like this. Yeah, on and off things. Barbecue हा तो करपाकू पावनाय. आणि we have another trip to do next week now. We'll be doing it. Very excited with that trip because that trip has a lot of memories from before as well. We've done it before. Yeah. And we will tell you what the trip is and I'll tell you what memories are those of mine in that one. But in this one, barbecue बरं झालं सगळं nice. चोड केला इल्ले केले आणि तेच चोड झाल्या इल्ले केलं तेच चोड झाले आमका काय ना चोड हा किती म्हण हातले. So guys, thank you so much. You all have been appreciated. So many of them have been writing for us. Sending love for kids, for us. मुझे recipe appreciate करता है. जायते लेकिन people they try that recipes and they write it. And honestly, what we do before we post out our recipes and all, even though we have done it before, ample of times, but when you do it at home, okay, your hand goes easily because if you're a cook, you will do easily by itself. But when you need to train someone, you need to give you want to give those tutorials, you need to give exact measurements. So we do a recipe a week before for ourselves with the exact measurements that we need for 1 kg or 2 kg we use. And that is the perfection of every single recipe that we put. And when people follow them, they always come up like, okay, oh, very nice. We did it this.
Because we tried first, it's tasting nice or something, and then we do the.
Yeah, that a lot of recipes which we have tried before and we have scrapped it also because it was good, but it was not to the mark.
Yes.
And it was difficult also. So we had to say, okay, no, you know what? People will not like it. They will not like to get into that. We did not want it to bring it to you.
Yes. Because everyone cannot do particular recipe, like cakes. Like we don't know how to do cakes.
Dessert itle barath hai nahi. I'm not really not good. So now. So guys, what happens is a lot of requests have come for us. You know that, yeah. So many of us have they love what we do. They appreciate us. And many people have put a request guys, why don't you all do vlogs in Konkani? They did not say, why you always speaking English to England? Not like that.
Yeah, they never got like that.
Nobody. I will tell you what. I'm blessed with my viewers and now subscribers because they write very sweet to us. Very nice they write. And even if they want to request, then there is a politeness in this.
Yeah, there's a way to.
They always put that politeness forward to us to ask, which is very much I feel at least I'm blessed in that way because many times I see people don't get really good feedback, so they have a lot of people just mocking up, which is not, I would not appreciate that thing. It's not because a lot of hard work guys behind. Because a lot of people put their efforts, their time. There is a lot of sacrifices behind, not to put. And when you get those kind of things, it feels very bad. Many of our viewers and our subscribers have said okay, why don't you all do in Konkani? Because a lot of Konkani people are going to like to watch in Konkani. And we would love to do in Konkani. It's not that we would not love to. But when we started this channel, we started doing with the food channel and we started in the English only. Yeah. Things and Maggie, when we started off thinking we had a gap because of Kesha and all, then we wanted to come back. And we wanted the people to accept the same way, recipe and then what different videos. So we thought of okay, let's do recipes and vlogs also because Kesha does cute moments, angels growing up. So getting connected to people also very nice. Even being on the YouTube with the food recipes, people used to see us and they would say, are you the K2N family who does food recipes? Yes. We should feel very proud. The reason of doing in English is because Angel, they English as some of our friends are watching, they also and
their children are watching.
And Sogla Sozmona. Goans far more better. I know that everyone will know English. Yeah. And take lagon. I mean Kokani ni kota. Kokani kota ki taku because Kisha also, we want Kisha to support. We do not want to do the same mistake what we did with Angel. English बोले ले हम इंग्लिश ऐसी नहीं हम इंग्लैंड इल्मना we don't know to speak Konkani or something.
Yeah.
As I say, like, for me, it's always like that. When there are certain things in Konkani, when you say in Konkani only, they sound good. And certain things which are in English, when you speak in English, they're good. They isko auna pamge tun window te basi hamka. So when we speak, we try to tend speak. But now, yes, that we will, as the requests are coming a lot, we'll try to do mix and match. We'll try to put a lot of Konkani in the middle. And we will speak English also as on when we need, like, we speak because we speak.
Try your best.
So yeah, कैसे सकते हैं, yeah. आधी introduction कोकणी करो कि English केला माझ्या बता था कि त्यात my confident भी जायचं आहे माझ्या अरे what is this father saying म्हणे झालं मागे त्याच्या like the reason English, why we speak English a lot, because at home also culture is like that only. We speak Konkani and English both.
Yeah.
And it's not only now after getting married or after coming to UK. You know that.
Yeah.
Your dad used to speak in English.
Yeah, so my dad and me always used to talk English. Like I used to always speak English to my dad. My bao Konkani उलयतालो and he used to talk in English also. But me always in English. अब स्कूलला बसून म्हणटाली English रे बाकरांगे बन काय की तेश को दिसताले. You know.
But anyways, you were in St. Mary's, you had to speak in English. Yeah. So we came from St. Mary's schools, so we had to speak in English. Back days when we were in school, the school atmosphere was very different, very strict atmosphere, very more disciplined. So that was one thing. My mom, my mom, she used to speak in English only with us. Like, English no बघत आले आणि किती आम्ही मामा गे चोड एसको बाहेर बी गेले चोड एसको तापो अपना दे गेले बॉब मारो अपना एक one look will say everything. दोय मोठ कन सोयले नी झालं तुम्ही कोपाचे कितोर केलं म्हणून. So that was one thing. And my mama's one thing, good thing is like, okay, तू केन बरोबर बोलत नाही. When she's talking very nicely, she will speak in English to you and she'll tell you, and she expected also the right reply also. But मार पडते त्यांना मार पडते कोकणीत मार पडता केना पडला कोकणीत मारू मग कोकणीत मार पडला. So लेट मार पडालो. I'll tell you one incident about this. You know about this. So we have 3 siblings, me and my 2 sisters. झाले किती afternoon nap Goa, in people have afternoon nap. So my mom also had an afternoon nap, and she told, and we were dakte alone. So my mom told me like, okay, Baba, take care of Cookie and Joyce. And Cookie is my sister Delilah, her name is, and I was saying, "Teka ang bokdi munta, te mak bokdo munta." And dakte ande hapulle. त्या हापुले गोर झाला
हापुले anymore. We have become हापुले.
हांव काड जालें त्याच्यानी ते कितले गोर जाला आता ते चड गोर जाला आमच्यानी. सो आमी एशको आहा आमगे भितर दिता आमी एकमेकाक कितें कितें म्हणटाय तेच हांव बोकडो ते बोकडी ते एकले माय तेका माय म्हणटाय.
She calls me Ma, I call her Ma.
तशें जाला.
Goes on, yeah.
What happened? My mom, she went to have a nap and she told me to take care of my sisters. So we were playing in the afternoon. I'm getting it like, it was monsoon season. The thing that it's going trench of water flow that by the school flow that all. So what happened? My sister, she was playing. She was probably like 4 or 5 something. And Joyce was smaller than her, younger to her. So when she was walking on those stones, she tripped and she fell and she got hurt over here. And they got below. So I went running, सारखे सोनिकेस धावलो मामा फुड्यान आणि मामा कुकी पडे मामा जा न्हिदेंतली चापको उठली आणि जावं गेले कितें जालें बाय कितें जालें कुकी सगळीं भिता आमी तिगांय भिताली मामा कुकी जाणा आपणा मार पडटा म्हणून किती म्हणचे कुकीन बोकडी खाता बाबान उडयलो खंय आनी म्हजे दोय भायर सोबते बाबान उडयलो आई उडयला तूं चलयता तूं पडला मामाला निचारो पन्ना गे रस्त्यार मार म्हाका कसलो मार पडलो म्हाका त्या दिसा आय स्टील रिमेंबर आनी त्या काजू उगडासूय करता तो. सो आमगे हाय लायक दिस काय बट आय वूड से तो मार पडलो म्हणून आयज आम बरें हाय. We know the value. Also, guys, so this is the thing. This is a story about being between English and Konkani. My English also is not really high profile English. I don't use dictionary words. I use like daily routine life where people usually use a normal language to speak in English. I don't use like very high influencing Englishes, or I don't speak words that can blow out someone's mind. What is that word like? You have to think. Those words I would say you will be using in some brief meetings. Yeah, definitely. I will use them when I have in my office. I have a cordial. We have a conference meetings or anything. That time I use some of those words. Like I find out. It's not that I have learned it through somewhere. I learn things. I do research. I key some keywords on my meet, and then I will speak about those.
Yeah.
So profile must but no, you can't you can't make Asians are very smart. They're always smart. But what happens is people underestimate sometimes. And I don't like anyone or I don't do underestimate anyone. As I said it before also. I was lucky to be on this position and this place because I was there at the right time by the grace of God. But there are many people who are very unfortunate, but who have very good talent and have more good education, but they were not there at the right time, I would say. But they are very much aficionated to do things that they can do very easily. So God has his own wills. So I always appreciate everyone's job. And hard work, everyone does it. So guys, I hope you all have enjoyed. Gave a small barbecue party that we have done with our family.
Yeah.
You all probably have, because you all have requested a lot about Kisha and Angel. You all have seen Kisha doing so much chaos around. Like a dance. So how small, and she's climbing on that slide, Angel, when we had bought this one, Angel was like 3 years, I think, so that time. Yeah, she would not climb at that time. But Kisha, she's the next level. I don't know. But thank you guys for all that love and support that you give us. And if you've really liked our video, please show some love by liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel. And the viewers who watch us, please do subscribe. Until then, stay safe. God bless you all. And our final word to say, adios.